Happy holidays. Today's video is going to be a haul from a consignment shop. So stay tuned because I have some awesome stuff to show you. Hi everyone, it's Stephanie from Three Queens Resell, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. It does mean a lot to me as I work on building my YouTube community and just filling my life with positive people who want to resell, learn about reselling, encourage me in reselling, so I can encourage you in reselling and basically be reseller besties. So if that's the type of energy you want in your life, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into this amazing haul. So I'm going to need everyone, as the haul goes on, to comment what their favorite item in the haul is, because I got some great stuff today. And yeah, just comment what your favorite item was, and we'll just, because the more you guys comment, like, subscribe, share, interact with the video, the more YouTube pushes me out into the YouTube world, so other resellers can find me. I am a small channel, new channel, and I'd like to grow my channel, but I'm learning more about how that works. So the more you guys comment, interact, the more other people are going to find me. So I won't be so far down on the list. So let's get into it. And don't forget, comment what your favorite item is in the comments down below. And let's go. So these guys are, so at this consignment shop I go there every week, or I try to. And there are some other resellers there. So, hey friends, hey reseller besties. Hopefully they are like, I got better stuff than you. I'm sure you did, because some of y'all are savage, but you know, I'm here for it. But I had never found this brand, and so there was a lady trying them on, and an older lady trying them on, and she tried them on, and they looked so cute on her feet, but she's like, no, these are too much. And I thought she meant like too much as like in price, but they were 80% off. But no, she meant like too much as in look, because this is like a lot of like gold metallic, like, but these are Mew. Is that how I pronounce it? You can also correct me in the comments so I can learn. And I looked up comps really quickly, because I was like, as she was pulling them off her feet, I was like, she's going to put them back. And then when she did, I grabbed them. So I'm hoping to list these for between $200 and $250 to see how they go. But yeah, this could be the deal of the day for me. And these are size, I guess I should have looked that up. I don't know. I don't know what size you are. Oh, I have the box. I have the box. I think they're small, like a 5. Okay. They are a size. Oh man, they retailed for $318. These are size 37. So yeah, size 37. So retailed for $318. So I'm going to get those cleaned up a little bit on the soles and get those listed ASAP so somebody can buy those for their fashionable friend for Christmas. So the next thing I got, and you guys need to tell me what I should do. So these are Gucci. Yes, Gucci. And should I resell these, or should I give them to my teenage daughter for Christmas? Tell me what I should do. Leave me a comment down below. But these are Gucci. I did look up the comps, anywhere between $125 and $250. So between the boots and the shoes, well, the boots by themselves will pay for the haul if I can. But I want more. I want to pay for the haul and pay some bills. So this is a Harley Davidson sweater. I'm going to scoot you over so you guys, I can have room. Whenever I do that, though, sometimes. Let me scoot my light over, too. I'm sorry. You would think by the now that I've done so many of these, I would have myself together ahead of time. You get to see my fat underarm. There we go. So, here we go. So this is Harley Davidson, and it would help if I turned it around. It's just a red sweater. It has this cute detail here and on the sleeves. And this was a very good price. I don't remember, but I remember thinking, oh, there was something. Oh, here it is. And then Harley Davidson embroidered on the sleeve. Hoping to get about 25 to 30 for that. Now this was 90% off, but it is a Vince long, like, duster sweater cardigan thing with pockets, and it's black. I'm looking to see what the fabric is. It is wool and cashmere. So this does need a sweater shave, so I'm going to do that before I list it. But yeah, hopefully I can get maybe like 35, 40, 50 out of that. I haven't looked up comps on that. Now I did look up comps on, this is a new to me brand. It's, how do you say that? Geiger. But these jackets do really well. So I got two. I got this one. It's a boiled wool. It's not lined, but it was new with tags, so I got it. And it was listed on, it's a size 14. And it was listed, has a tag for $400 on it. So, ooh, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get $400 for it. But I'm going to look up comps for this specific one because the tags did not have, I had that tag on there, but I want to make sure, kind of see, if I get 100 for it, I would be so happy. 200, I would be running around the corner. Now, I got this one. When I looked up, saw the tag on that one, then I found this one. And this one, I think it will get a lot more because it is quilted and lined, and it zips. So it's more like a coat. So it can keep you warmer. So I got those two things. And those are probably, no, I think those are like the most expensive things that I got. Yes, those were even more expensive than the Gucci glasses. Then I got these Athleta Pants. And I think they're cute. But they have a flare leg and utility pockets. And they're just a fun pant. I'm going to look up the actual name. They are a 4 tall. I do like to buy tall things. While petite things sit, I notice tall things don't. So, if you see nice items that are tall, have the tall label or long label, pick those up because they do not sit like petite things sit. These are Prana, and they were a really good price. And they're just an olive green like pant, size 2. I'm pulling the tags. And since these things, and I have a video on shopping tips for shopping consignment stores, and I'll link it up above. But since these things have come from the consignment store, they can get processed relatively quickly. They don't need to be washed like the bins things. So they will be photographed tomorrow, and hopefully I can get them all listed up this weekend. Now these were new to me. They are called, I think, let me look because I don't want to mess it up. Vintage Havana, and they're a sneaker. Can you see good? They're a sneaker. Size. What size are they? I didn't know. Sorry, I'm not good at the sizing thing. But they come in this cute little bag. They are a size. They didn't say in there. I'll have to do some research. Because I don't want it to. Oh, 8. And they got a little bit of gulk. They have a little bit of gulk on the bottom. So I got to clean that up. But other than that, the top, like they've probably been worn once, if that, just enough to step in some gum or something. So hoping to get maybe 50 or 60 for those. And then, okay, so Queen Lemon Cake tried to steal these out of my bag. And she's going to say she didn't, but she did. But these are Schultz, and they are super cute. I just sold a pair of Schultz heels for $100 on eBay yesterday or 2 days ago, so I was really excited to see these. These are a 6B, and they have a side zip, and they are fancy. I can't wear heels like that any longer. I broke my foot 2 years ago, and ever since then, heels are not my friend. Okay, so this is a Peter Nygard woman, so kind of like plus size dress, just a nice career dress. One thing that this consignment shop does is that on the tags, if it's like a designer brand, they write designer, like if it came out of their designer section. I don't think this one did. I didn't see it on there. But, yeah, just a nice plus size dress. It was a super good price. I have on my receipt here. Now, this is a brand I'm just trying to learn about. Frank and Eileen. These shirts, when I looked up the comps, depending on the shirt, were going from like 30 to 55, 60. So I have this gray one that is extra large and a little bit like looser. And then I have this floral print, and I have one listed that I just listed yesterday. I have this floral print that is a size, what size is this one? It's a size large, but it's a little bit more fitted. And so, yeah, we'll see how these do. But those had to be steamed really well. I believe this brand has a cult following. It's Effie's Heart. And when I looked it up, let me get the tag off because sometimes my husband does not pop tags for me. So it's this cute little fit and flare dress with a short sleeve or a 3/4 sleeve. And it has this novelty print of dishes on it. But these dresses have a cult following, so I'm going to look into this pattern to see if it's one of the rare patterns, because if it is, it will command more, but I'm hoping to get about 35 for that. So I got this dress, and I'm probably going to get shot down, so this, for my daughter Courtney, it is a Betsy Johnson, and it's just a black velvet tank dress. It's a size 6. It doesn't have pockets or anything. It's like a fit and flare. But I just thought it was a cute, like, little black dress for New Year's Eve. I'm going to show it to her I tried to FaceTime her, but she was taking a final. So, oops. So I am going to show it to her, and if she doesn't want it, I'll list it. Because, I mean, it was, like, a decent price. So, I can easily recoup my money back from it, so I'm not worried about that at all. But I just thought it was a nice basic. And then this is Pam and Galia, and this is a designer brand. I've got a pair of sweatpants listed. They've been listed maybe like a month, and they haven't sold, but I wanted to get something that was like more dressy to see how that would do. So, hoping to get about 45 for this. And, this is my last item. So, this is Andrea Liu, and it's small, but this brand does well on ThreadUp, and so I got this for like seriously like $2, so I have to try on it. I'm trying to definitely um, balance my closet with bins items that are bread and butter, and pick up designer items from this place and other consignment shops that I can get more money for. So leave me a comment down below. What was your favorite item in the haul? My favorite item are the Gucci's. I mean, the boots and the Gucci are like neck and neck, but I would wear these. So until next time, we're trudging on in our Happy Holiday series. I enjoy spending a little bit of time making videos each day, answering your comments, responding to your comments. So please leave me a comment. I love just chatting with you guys. You guys are like my coworkers. I don't have coworkers anymore. So yeah, it's good to communicate with people out there in the world. Until tomorrow, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.